Hi guys, Rachel CPR here. Today I wanted to share with you a super quick video showing you exactly how I travel with my planner supplies. Last week I shared a video with you talking about my planner lineup for 2018. This week I'm going to share with you how I travel with my planner supplies. We do homeschooling, and so a lot of the times when I'm out and about I need to travel with things that I plan with. And as you can see, these are wallets. They are small wallets, medium size, more thick ones. I just use wallets. You know, sometimes you go into the stores and you find really inexpensive wallets, and they are perfect for traveling with your planner supplies. So I'm just going to show you very quickly what's inside of each one. I'll start with this one. You open it up. I have plenty of paper clips. I love these clips because whenever I'm out and I'm planning, sometimes I need to bookmark certain pages in physical books that I'm going through or in some of the textbooks for my children. And so I always keep lots of paper clips on hand. I make all of my planner clips, and so I don't spend a lot of money on my planner supplies. Over here, I have some pre-cut washi tape. And this is on like this plastic cover, and so it's perfect for just cutting out a few things for headers in my planner if I am planning for the week. And then in here, I have some functional stickers. I have a little envelope that has some page flags and some reinforcement tabs for any kind of page that I have. And then I have just some random stickers. Like these are for some of the classes that we do. We have a no class, a project, a deadline, music, history. Just very functional stickers that I would use when I'm planning for my children's classes. And then I have some fun stickers that would just go into my Erin Condren planner. And so these all fit nicely right inside of the fold where you would normally keep, I don't know, just whatever information that you wanted to keep there when it comes to carrying a wallet. And then over here in the credit card section, I have more washi tape. These are just washi tape samples that I put on to some stiff vellum. And I have 2 of those. And I usually, if I have a particular spread that I'm using, certain colors, I will usually coordinate these to the spread that I am using. But right now I have 3 different travel wallets for my planner items, and so I don't really have to switch them out. I would just take another planner. Then I have a couple more paper clips. Then I have some page flags, and you see how these things just fit so nicely in here. And then over here I have some Post-it notes. I don't think I have anything under here. Nope, nothing under there. And it just folds up nice and securely. And then over here, I have pens. I have some glittery pens, some pens for highlighting, and then some of my favorite writing pens. This is the Micron pen that I love. That one's in black, and then I have another one in brown. And it fits so nicely in this nice compact size. I can just pop it into my purse or my travel school bag. And then in this one, I love this one because it had the handle. This is perfect for when we go to the park. This, again, I have lots and lots of paper clips right over here. And then I have this little block for cutting washi tape. And what else do I have in here? Let's see. Oh, I have functional stickers. These are all just for planning in my planner. And most of those are cut to the size of the sections that I use for our school planner. I have some glue. I have a glue stick. See, it goes right into this pocket. And then over here, this pocket is for a small phone, like an iPhone, I guess. And I can fit lots and lots of functional items in here because this pocket is so chunky. So I love this one because this is for like heavy duty travel planning. Then I have a pen right over here hooked on with this clip. And then I have more paper clips over here. And that's it. And so that's what this pouch holds. Nice and securely. And then this is my mini that I use when I have limited travel space. And look, it still holds lots of clips. And then I have a card here for cutting any washi tape that I need to cut. I have some plain paper clips that would just go into any book that we go, like if we're going to the library or something. And then I have a whole pack of Post-it notes, which is amazing. Whoops. Don't go anywhere. It's amazing that I can fit an entire pack of those in there. And then in this section, please forgive my dog with all that barking. In this section, I have washi tape, page flags, more Post-it notes, all of this. Just the same thing that I had in the other two travel compartment items. And then over here, I have some functional stickers that I use in my planner, and it just folds up nicely and it goes away. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I think this is a great idea if you do a lot of planning on the go, because this makes it so easy to take everything with you that you need to take with you. And in the end, you just have every single thing that you need. And so it's very, very convenient. And it's even good if you just, if you don't have a whole lot of planner items, it's good to have these even just to travel around your house with. Like if you have a normal place that you plan, and if you decide to pick up and go to another area, maybe if you're going to watch a movie and you want to plan while you're watching a movie, these are great for that. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time when I show you how I store all of my planner accessories. Thanks again, guys. Bye.